Final drive in the Talon, and yeah, you guys are probably wondering why, and well, I will explain that in just a moment. Get this door open. Oh my god, it's so weird to see this. Turn this light on. We're gonna do a couple things today. Oh man, I mean, it's so surreal. It's so surreal. My dream. My dream. Dang. Little small town, Iowa, and there's a MK4 and an R32 sitting in a garage. But we are going to do some making these headlights look pretty again. So I'm going to get these guys some love. And in the meantime, I'm going to explain to you why the Talon is going away. The Talon is leaving because I am moving, and we are moving into a house right outside of town that has a 4-bay garage. Fantastic, lots of space, and everything is flat. So my yard and everything in the garage is going to look way more appealing to you guys. I have plenty more room to work on things, and it's just going to be excellent. This car is sitting here at Levi's house and staying here until we move, because I'm not going to try to take it to the house I'm currently at now, because it would get ruined on the driveway or something stupid. But freaking Levi cleaned it and waxed it, and this is the first time I've seen it as like completely clean, and holy cow, it's got some Australian paint fade, but that's okay. Get the freaking carbon fiber hood waxed. Or not waxed, but buffed. I can buff it and it'll freaking look all pretty. But I'm going to clean up these headlights so that way they are clear again and it makes it look more appealing. These are some nasty headlights. I will tell you that.
Get in there real nice and deep, black boy. It's literally raining on me.
It'll buff. Just like these headlights. That's how I make my windshields clear too. I just buff them. If they're nasty, well, that's how it is. Oh my god.
Sounds like your car's gonna fall apart.
No, it's not the bumper, it's the rest of the car that's rattling.
It's not the bumper, it's the Supra.
Yeah. It's the whole car.
Oh yeah.
Well, at least they're not yellow anymore. Alright, still. Oh, hey, it's me. I didn't mean to. These some love. But dang, those headlights cleaned up pretty dang. Or the one headlight cleaned up pretty good. We still got the foggy yellow on this side. Let me get this. What size is it?
2000.
That's perfect. There you go. Levi in with the clutch. Alright, so hit with 2000 grit. Okay, we are foggy once again. Hit it with the buff. Dang it, you see? Okay. That is actually pretty nice. There's a little bit of a cloud in there, but it might just be from humidity. I don't know, actually. Maybe I get some 3000 grit. They do look clear now, though. I mean, it's a before and after. Let's hit the other side. A lot better than yellow. She needs some love. Take a seat right up in here. And I don't know, I haven't put a battery in it. Probably not very many. This interior, don't really like it. I'm gonna take this all out and paint it satin black. Probably paint some other parts satin, but yeah, that's okay. Tried to go with the exterior matching the interior bit here, but I'm not a fan of it. This guy really likes JDM cars. He even pushed the car outside and washed it for me yesterday. What a guy.
I even went and bought a new sponge.
You went and bought a new sponge?
Yep.
Look at that. It looks good washed. Maybe it's just...
Once they're wet, they look good, right?
Yeah. Let's just keep them wet.
Keep them moist.
Keep them very moist.
You poured water out of the fridge.
I did, yeah. Sure did. I needed water, I told you. I told you. That's just how it has to be. Oh yeah, they look way better clean. Dang, those things are freaking clear.
They might haze back up a little bit if it dries.
I'll hit them with a microfiber. They are a little hazy. Well, let's do one little walk around to the Talon before it leaves. I'm really honestly sad to see it go. I'm gonna miss the car. I'm gonna end up getting a 1GP because that's ultimately the DSM I want. But yeah, that sucks. Wish I could have kept it, but with the house and everything, you guys will be stoked as me that I have the house. So everything's gonna be a lot better working on. And once the house is here and we got the house, I'll be able to get more of those and more of anything I want. Yeah, it's got a power steering leak because it's got like a loose clamp or something.
Alright.
That's okay. Now Levi's gonna take me for a ride in his truck. He blew his whole set and God damn it! He blew his whole set and I got him to get a GTX series turbo to put on it, so it's on like 40 pounds of boost.
45 is what hit max.
45, alright.
It's okay, the lag's gonna be fine. Let her get warmed up for a moment though.
It's pretty loud.
Back window's open.
No, your turbo's loud.
The turbo?
Yeah. It's pretty good. Got a nice GTX series turbo on here.
It actually runs a lot colder now because I'm getting a lot more air.
Dang. That turbo's loud.
I told you, it's like a jet driving down the road.
It gets hot. It's a little guy, but it does the job. Well, so sad. Well guys, there's a lot of information in this video and I hope everybody stay until the end to watch it. I cannot wait to get moved and get into the new house so I can take the Supra home, and when Ricebox gets finished, which Merle has been busy with that car, it's going to be sweet. It's going to be very, very functional. There's going to be so much extra room. He's going to be uploading some videos, so be sure to go over to his channel and check out the videos that he's going to be uploading of his car, and then immediately after will be the Trans Am, and that's gonna be the car. That's gonna be the race car, and I can't wait to start filming on that build. But once we get this house, I'm gonna get everything moved over, and once I get financially stable again, which shouldn't be too long, I will start ordering upgrades and stuff for the Supra. But until then, I will be using leftover parts from Ricebox. So in that case, I might end up naming the Supra Leftover. But yes guys, that's gonna be it for this video, and if you guys enjoy it or you guys like the Supra and are excited for me to finally be building what the JZ is home to,
drop a like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon so that way you guys are up to date for all the new content. And I will catch you guys in the